Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we share valuable tips and insights on career development and professional networking. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that is of great interest to many job seekers: how LinkedIn can land you your dream job. We have already shared part 1 of this series. The link to the first part of this video is mentioned in the description box. You may check it from there. In our previous video, we discussed the importance of optimizing your LinkedIn profile and networking effectively. Today, we are diving deeper into this topic and exploring additional strategies that can help you stand out from the crowd. We have added many more tips in this video series, so just stick to this video till the end. With over 750 million users worldwide, LinkedIn has become a powerful platform for professionals to connect, network, and ultimately land their dream job. So, if you're ready to take your career to the next level, let's dive right in. The first step in getting a job on LinkedIn is to optimize your profile. As I've already said in my previous video, your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume, and make sure it's polished and compelling. Here are some key areas to focus on. Number 1. Profile picture. Remember, first impressions matter. Always choose a professional-looking photo that represents you well. Avoid using selfies or party pictures. Number 2. Headline. Craft a catchy and descriptive headline that highlights your expertise and professional goals. This is your chance to grab attention and showcase your unique value proposition. Number 3. Summary. Write a compelling summary that provides an overview of your skills, experience, and career aspirations. Use keywords relevant to your industry to optimize your professional visibility in search results. Number 4. Experience. Another important aspect in the experience section. List your work experience, highlight your achievements and responsibilities. But instead of simply listing job titles and responsibilities, use this space to highlight your achievements, projects you have worked on, and the impact you have made. Quantify your results wherever possible. This gives potential employers a clear understanding of your capabilities. Number 5. Education and skills. Make sure to mention your educational background and key skills. It's not just about having a professional headshot and a catchy headline. Although those are important, you need to demonstrate your value and expertise through your profile content. LinkedIn allows you to add endorsement from connections, so ask colleagues and supervisors to endorse your skills to boost your credibility. Now that you have an optimized profile, it's time to explore the job search features on LinkedIn. Here is how you can make the most of them. Number 1. Job search filters. Use the advanced search filters to narrow down your job search based on location, industry, experience level, and more. This will help you find relevant opportunities faster. Number 2. Saved searches and alerts. Save your search criteria and set up alerts to receive notifications when new job postings that match your preferences are added. This way, you won't miss out on any potential opportunities. Number 3. Company pages. Follow the pages of companies you're interested in working for. This will keep you updated on the latest news, job openings, and insights, and will also help you establish connections within the organization. Networking is a crucial aspect on LinkedIn. It is a powerful tool for finding job opportunities that building professional relationships. However, it is not just about connecting, but with as many people as possible, you need to be strategic in your approach. Here are some effective networking techniques to help you increase your chances of landing a job. Number 1. Connect and engage. First, start by reaching out to your existing contacts, colleagues, classmates, and professionals you have worked in the past. Personalize your connection request to remind them of your relationship and express your interest in reconnecting. You can also send personalized connection requests to professionals in your field, including recruiters and hiring managers. Engage with their posts and articles and build meaningful relationships. As you expand your network, engage with your connections regularly. Like, comment, and share their posts to stay on their radar. By doing so, you're nurturing those relationships and increasing the likelihood of them referring you to job opportunities or providing recommendations. Number 2. Join groups. In addition to engaging with your connections, LinkedIn groups are a great way to expand your network and join relevant industry discussions. By actively participating in groups, sharing insights, and contributing valuable content, you position yourself as an industry expert and attract the attention. Hence, must participate in LinkedIn groups related to your industry or areas of interest. Contribute to discussions, share your expertise, and connect with like-minded professionals. Number 3. Request recommendations. Additionally, LinkedIn's recommendation feature allows you to request recommendations from colleagues, supervisors, or clients who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. These recommendations serve as testimonials and can significantly boost your credibility in the eyes of the potential employers. So reach out to colleagues, mentors, or supervisors and ask for recommendations on your profile. Positive recommendations can greatly enhance your credibility and attract potential employers. When requesting recommendations, be specific about the skills or project you want the person to highlight. This helps them provide more targeted and impactful recommendations that align with your career goals. Another effective strategy to get noticed by employers on LinkedIn is to create and share valuable content. Here is how you can leverage content to boost your professional presence. Number 1. Publish articles. LinkedIn's publishing platform allows you to showcase your industry expertise by publishing articles on relevant topics. Share insights, tips, and thought leadership to establish yourself as a knowledgeable professional. Number 2. Engage conversations. Comment on posts, articles, and updates from professionals in your field. Share your perspective, ask thoughtful questions, and contribute to meaningful discussions. This will help you expand your network and gain visibility among industry peers and potential employers. Number 3. Share relevant content. Share articles, blog posts, and resources that are relevant to your industry or the job roles you're interested in. Moreover, consider writing longer form articles or publishing LinkedIn blog posts on topics relevant to your field. This allows you to dive deeper into subjects, showcase your expertise, and provide valuable insights to your network. This demonstrates your passion and keeps your network informed about current trends and developments. It's an effective way to establish yourself as a knowledgeable professional. When it comes to job applications on LinkedIn, it's essential to stand out from the crowd. Here are some tips for creating a compelling applications. Number 1. Customize your message. Avoid using generic templates when reaching out to recruiters or hiring managers. Tailor your messages to such specific opportunity, highlighting your relevant skills and expressing your interest in the role. Number 2. Leverage connections. If you have connections within the company you are applying to, reach out to them for advice or insights about the role or company culture. They may be able to provide you with valuable information or even refer you internally. Number 3. Showcase your achievements. Use your LinkedIn profile's featured section to showcase examples of your work, such as presentations, projects, or publications. This provides tangible evidence of your skills and accomplishments. Lastly, don't forget the power of continuous learning and personal development. LinkedIn offers various resources to help you stay updated and enhance your skills. Here's what you can do. Number 1. LinkedIn Learning. Make sure you take advantage of the vast library of online courses available on LinkedIn Learning. Develop new skills, explore different areas of expertise, and earn certifications that can boost your profile's credibility. Number 2. Follow influencers. Identify industry influencers and thought leaders who share valuable insights and updates. Follow their profiles and engage with their content to stay informed and expand your knowledge. Number 3. Attend virtual events. LinkedIn hosts virtual events and webinars where you can learn from experts, connect with professionals in your field, and gain valuable industry insights. Must take advantage of these opportunities to expand your network and stay current. Do's and don'ts. There are some basic things that seem pretty obvious, but you would be surprised that most of the people make these mistakes. So here is the list of to-dos and don'ts that you should follow while searching for a job on LinkedIn. Do's. Use professional photo or banner on your profile. Include your contact information. Keep your experience up to date. Thank your connections for liking, sharing, and commenting on your posts. It just shows your politeness. You never know where opportunities could come from. Don'ts. Avoid using keywords. However, keywords are important to mention, but it doesn't mean that you use a bunch of keywords in random places in sentences where it doesn't actually read. Use them at a correct place where it works. Never ask strangers for recommendations because it is not going to work well and will look very sketchy. Don't attempt to sell something on your profile. This is very much relevant for B2B and the sales divisions, but not for you. Never post irrelevant and unprofessional content on your LinkedIn profile. Just make sure that you keep everything professional to your network and the industry. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to get a job on LinkedIn. By optimizing your profile, leveraging job search features, networking effectively, creating valuable content, and showcasing your achievements, you can increase your chances of finding exciting career opportunities. Consistency and engagement are key to making the most of this professional platform. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful platform that can significantly contribute to landing your dream job. By implementing these strategies and staying proactive, you can maximize your chances of success. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your job search. That wraps up our second part on how LinkedIn can land you your dream job. I hope you have liked the fourth video of our How to LinkedIn series. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. The links of the first 4 videos of this LinkedIn series are already mentioned in the description box, so I must have a look at those videos if you want to have a deeper knowledge about LinkedIn. And that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in to our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative or entertaining. We personally suggest you to read the 3 books which are mentioned in the description. We are going to donate 9% of the total earnings from this video for the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you have gained anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Remember, a well-optimized LinkedIn profile can make all the difference in your professional career. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.